So, hi everybody, it's Clinton here from ModuleWorks, and I have the pleasure of being here with Emil from SolidCAM, and we're going to talk about our partnership, why SolidCAM have worked with us for so many years, and some of the most impressive 3 and 5 axis machining capabilities that SolidCAM has introduced recently. So first off, Emil, thank you so much for giving us the time today. I really do appreciate that.
My pleasure. Anytime for ModuleWorks.
That's very kind of you. So we talk about our partnership first of all, and you were kind enough to share with me earlier that you've actually been working with ModuleWorks for a very long time. Just walk me through that. When did that start?
It started in 2003. I was looking for the best 5-axis machining technology. I believe in never reinventing the wheel. If I could find a good technology, I will integrate it with SolidCAM.
Yeah.
And somebody whispered to my ear that Yabus has good 5-axis technology. And I met him, and we hit it off, and I became the first customer of ModuleWorks.
Wow.
And the rest is history.
So first off, thank you so much for that. I do appreciate it. It's so much history there to talk about. So how has that relationship played out for you? I get the impression it's been very successful for you.
Yes, because the 5-axis technology was excellent.
Okay.
And it keep developing. You know, software is never stagnant.
No, it's true.
And then we started taking more technologies from Yabus. We took at the time, the machine simulation, which was very important for us. And lately, we are working a lot with them on the 3-axis machining. And we got now the best solution for 3-axis machining. So it's a developing relationship.
Sure.
Also, we got from him support for hybrid machining, when you have CNC machining with also 3D printing.
Yeah.
So when we need a technology and they can deliver it, we work with them.
Yeah, that's really good. So something we touched on earlier was this need for you, to your point about not reinventing the wheel.
Yeah.
It makes total sense that if there's off-the-shelf technology that you can plumb into SolidCAM, then why wouldn't you do that? But how do you find this balance of continuing to innovate, to differentiate SolidCAM with everyone else in the marketplace, and making use of that ModuleWorks development team to give you that value? How do you find that balance?
Because we took the 5-axis and 3-axis from ModuleWorks. On the other hand, we developed an amazing technology called iMachine.
Yeah.
That saves 70% or more of machining time, increased tool life 5 times or more, and provides a result. So we have also the best technology for mill turn and Swiss.
Yeah.
So we have our own technologies.
Yeah.
We partner with ModuleWorks forever.
Brilliant. That sounds perfect. They're perfect match. And what are your thoughts on the future here with SolidCAM? What sort of relationships and technological innovations are we working on right now that you can see yourself releasing to your customers in the near future?
Look, again, for example, your 3-axis technology is good. We are working to give us something called 3-axis editing of the toolbar. We are working with you people to do that.
Yeah.
We are all the time waiting for more innovations in 5-axis. Nothing is static.
Yeah.
So current technologies will be improved, and as we need new technologies, maybe in turning, we'll also take from ModuleWorks.
Because you guys, ultimately, you're trying to develop an ecosystem, right, where you can serve all of the needs of your customers, regardless of whether they're simple 2-axis milling, 5-axis milling. You mentioned hybrid manufacturing, which is a subject close to my heart. So I'm intrigued to know more about your vision as a company of what that ecosystem looks like.
Again, look, I think our customers have a whole machine shop. So the CAM programming is part of it. But they need other things. They need like G-code simulation, PDM for the machine shop, monitoring of CNC machines.
Yep.
So we have not just launched a Solid Shop, which gives a complete solution in fact. So we keep improving SolidCAM itself for the CAM programming using ModuleWorks, and we're adding more components to our complete ecosystem.
Brilliant. No, thank you. And hopefully, obviously, we're going to play a huge part in that to continue to deliver the component technology that has played a small part in growing the success of SolidCAM.
I tell everybody, if you have a computer which has components from so many companies, same in software.
Yeah.
You take components and you build on it.
Yeah. That's wonderful.
And thank you for providing us such great technology.
No, it's my pleasure. Thank you for your loyalty and your partnership over the 20 plus years. That's
and
really
I would
impressive.
add, so I'm happy to work with Yabus himself.
He's a very clever guy, isn't he? That's for sure. I've been very impressed.
Very nice guy also.
Absolutely. Well, Emil, thank you so much for your time today.
Okay.
Really do appreciate it.
Thank you.
And with that, thank you so much for your time. I hope you found that incredibly enjoyable. I certainly did. We look forward to seeing you on our next video.